Hey guys, welcome to Facts Go Viral. Today I am going to show you how concrete changed the world. Imagine what if concrete never ever exist. Will those high-rise buildings exist? What will our home look like? Concrete was first found in the regions of Syria and Jordan in 6500 BC. They used concrete to create their flooring and building structure. In 1824, Joseph Aspdin invented Portland cement by burning finely ground chalk and clay until the carbon dioxide was removed. In the 19th century, Portland cement was widespread in home construction by François Coignet. So what is the composition of concrete? Concrete is made up of Portland cement, water, and aggregates. Cement will act as the binder to bind all those ingredients together. Water is required to react with the cement in the hydration reaction. The more water you add, the more easier the concrete flow, but this will make the concrete less stronger. Sand or rocks which are used as aggregates help to increase the strength of the concrete. There are also admixtures added into the concrete to give the concrete a specific properties. There are admixtures such as fly ash which improves the workability, accelerating admixture which reduce the setting time of the concrete, water reducing admixture which reduce the amount of water required to react with the concrete and other. To understand why concrete is widely used in construction rather than other material, please watch part 2 of this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Please consider subscribe and like my video. Thanks for watching.